Hi, Sandy the Kentucky Crafter. Welcome back. I am going to walk you through the 3 signatures that I've put together, the papers that I chose. So I hope you enjoy it. I have picked out my papers, so I wanted to show you what I've picked out thus far. I may make some changes, but this is kind of what I have so far. We start off with the pretty berries and the greenery. Zoom in a little bit there. Might be a little bit better. And then the red, and this is some old school paper. And then I love this with the Rudolph reindeer on here and Santa Claus. And then this pattern is pretty. And I love putting a little doily in there. I threw a heart-shaped one in there. I thought that was different. And then this red paper with the snowflakes. And I like the stripes kind of mimicking the North Pole. And then we move into the reindeers playing out in the snow. So I did the snowflakes. And then I'll decorate this up. And then this is a red bag. I'll kind of decorate that up for storage. And then this pretty paper, coordinate the blues and reds. And then the red with the white dots, mimic Rudolph's red nose. And then they're out in the woods, so I liked having the trees here. And then that's the back of that paper. And then just added some plain copy paper for journaling. And then had a little piece of this cardstock with the presents, which I liked, and the mistletoe on the back. Another pretty pattern. And then the center of this signature is Rudolph, which I love having that in the middle. So that's the first signature. So I can go through the rest of it actually, so you can see the other pages of the story. So here are the trees with the trees, and the red dots with that. And then the snow with them playing in the snow. And then the sign. And then the berries with the berries. Alright, that's the first signature. Here is the second signature. And I love this red foil paper with the reindeers and the snow. And then a little brown envelope. It's gold and green. All these pretty little Christmas words. More of that old school paper. Like the green buffalo plaid with that. The ornaments. The peppermint stripes. Some journaling space. The snow. The doily. The mistletoe. And the presents to go with the presents. Snow to go with the storm as the storm's coming in. And I like these pages next to each other. And then this red articles, and a red bag, some journaling page, and these red snowflakes for the center of this. And then the second half of this signature, so the snow with the snow. And then the presents with, I'm getting ready to go deliver presents. Journaling space. And then the red and white to go with his suit. And then the ornaments. And then the reindeer with the reindeer. So that is the second signature. Here is the third signature, and I love this paper. North Pole. I like the black and the cream. And the back side of this, love these greens and reds and cream. Some journaling paper. And it's green, and there's a little reindeer on here. I don't know if you can see that. And more journaling space. And then this is so sweet as well. Little kids opening their presents. And some polka dots. I'm back. Had to let the cat in the room. And then this old-timey Santa's on here. And then I love this green, the toys. Some more school paper, journaling paper, and then another foil page with Christmas trees and snowflakes, and different designs. Doily, cardstock, pretty dots. Some of them are sparkle. Another bag. It's pretty plaid. Love this black and cream check. And again, another vintagey, old-timey Santa, the reindeer. Red and white bag. And pretty little glitter circles. And then these Santas. I love these Santas on here. And that is the third signature. So I may make some more tweaks, but that's kind of where they stand right now. Thanks for watching. I've made some good progress on my Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Little Golden Book. I got the cover removed. I have the gold binding still intact. Plan to reuse that. I have 3 signatures put together with some fun papers and other accents. Now I need to finalize my paper, do some trimming, and then I need to figure out what kind of decorative elements I'm going to add to the pages. If there's any pockets or side tucks, belly bands, corner tucks, add an envelope flip out, any of those sorts of things. Figure out which of those I want to sew on, because I want to do all my sewing before I bind these into the book, because it's harder to get them on the sewing machine once they're bound in the book. So made some progress, but got a little bit more work to do. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.